In this video, we'll be showing you the drain valve replacement on a Continental Girbau EH040 model machine. The model being used in this video is an EH040. First thing you'll want to do is to turn off the power to the machine using the service disconnect box. Be sure to lock the box out. If a disconnect box is not available, use the red power switch on the rear of the machine. Next, you want to remove the two torque screws on the top of the front lower panel using a T25 torque spit. Next, you'll see 5 screws on the underside of the panel. You want to loosen the 3 in the middle, but do not remove them. Grab the top of the panel, pull up and out to remove the panel. Next, you'll want to loosen the clamp on top of the drain valve using either a 7mm nut driver or a Phillips head screwdriver and remove the top hose. Once the hose is out of the way, pull off the metal splash guard and get it out of the way. Now you want to do the same thing on the hose going into the side of the drain valve and remove that hose as well. Then carefully, noting where the wires go, remove the 2 power wires and 1 ground wire. Next, using a 12mm wrench, remove 1 bolt on each side of the drain valve. Once those bolts are out, you should be free to remove the drain valve. Reinstallation is just the opposite. Set your drain valve into place and reinstall the 2 bolts. Plug your 3 wires back into their corresponding spade terminals, reinstall the side hose, and tighten the clamp using your 7mm nut driver. Replace the metal splash guard and reinstall the top hose, once again tightening the clamp using a 7mm nut driver. Replace the front panel and tighten the 3 screws on the bottom side using your T25 torque spit. Replace the 2 top screws, again, using the same T25 torque spit. That's all there is to it. Thank you for watching our video. For more information, please call us at 888-427-5743 or visit our website at www.tnlaundry.com.